Hello children, how are you? Welcome to math class. Moving towards our main topic, that is pre-number concepts. Students, here is a story for you. Students, one day Sonu and his mother went to a toy shop to buy a big ball and a toy car. When Sonu entered into a shop, he saw a big ball which is in red color. He decided to take that red ball. Later, he is searching for a toy car. At that time, he found another ball which is very big than a red ball. See children, it is in which color? Yes, it is in yellow color. Then Sonu started thinking like this. As I thought red one is big ball, but the ball which is in yellow color, it is very big than red ball. Then he decided to take yellow ball. After a while, he found another ball which is very big in size than first two balls. He confused by seeing the three balls in three different sizes. He went to his mother along with three balls and asked her like this. Mummy, here are three balls. There is a difference between these three balls. Can you explain what is the difference? Yes, mother told, my dear, as you selected the first one, which is in red color, that is a big ball. And the second one, which is in yellow color, that is little bit big than red ball. So that we can say it is the bigger ball than the first ball. Okay. And the last one is very big than the remaining two balls. So that we can say it is the biggest ball than the remaining two balls. Is it clear? Red ball is the big ball and yellow ball is the bigger ball and the last ball is the biggest ball. Big ball, bigger ball, biggest ball. Big ball, bigger ball, biggest ball. Okay. Students, I hope you understand the concept of big, bigger and biggest. Right? Okay. Now, we are moving towards our next topic. Here also a story for you. Listen carefully. One day, Sanvi went to a shop to buy a gift for her friend's birthday. But Sanvi has very less amount. So, she decided to buy a small gift. Otherwise, money will not sufficient to buy a big one. Na? So, she decided to buy a small gift. Now, she got a gift which is in small size and green in color. She went to cash counter and asked shopkeeper about the cost of a gift. But Sanvi did not have enough money to buy that gift. Then the shopkeeper told her to select a small gift than the first one. After a while, Sanvi came to shopkeeper with a small gift than the first one. But now also Sanvi can't buy that gift because of less amount. Then shopkeeper told her to select some more small one than these two gifts. After searching some time, she came with a pink gift pack which is very small than the remaining two gifts. Then Sanvi asked shopkeeper like this. Uncle, here almost all gifts are small in size. Can you say what is the difference between them? Then the shopkeeper told her, my dear, the gift which you bought first is small gift. The gift which is in green color, that is small gift. But the second one is very small than first one. Then we can say it is the smaller one. It is the smaller gift than the first gift. And whatever you brought now, that is very small than the remaining two gifts. It means we can say it is the smallest gift than remaining two gifts. The first one is small one, the second one is smaller one and the last one is smallest one. Small gift, smaller gift, smallest gift. Small, smaller, smallest. This is the difference between these three gifts. Like this, the shopkeeper explained to Sanvi. Okay, children, I hope you also understand the topic of small, smaller and smallest. Children, let us see some more concepts. Here are three giraffes. In these, the first one is baby giraffe, the second one is a mother giraffe, and the last one is father giraffe. Students, are they all in same height? No, baby giraffe is looking tall, but mother giraffe is little bit tall than baby giraffe. So that we can say it is a taller giraffe. It is a taller giraffe. Coming to the father giraffe, it is so tall than the baby giraffe and mother giraffe. So that we can say it is a tallest giraffe. It is a tallest giraffe. Tall giraffe, taller giraffe, tallest giraffe. Tall, taller, tallest. See the next one. Students, here are three lamps. How many lamps? Three lamps. In these, the first lamp is short. In this, the first lamp is short lamp. And the second one is very short than the first one. So that we can say it is the shorter lamp. And the last one is very short than the remaining two lamps. So that we can say it is the shortest lamp. Short lamp, shorter lamp, shortest lamp. Short, shorter, shortest. Now coming to the next one. Children, here are three chilies. Okay, the first one is thick. The first one is thick one. And the second one is little bit thick than the first one. So that we can say it is the thicker chili than the first one. And the last one is very thick than the remaining two chilies. So that we can say it is the thickest chili than the remaining two chilies. Thick chili, thicker chili, thickest chili. Thick chili, thicker chili, thickest chili. It means thick, thicker, thickest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Now see the next one. Here are some candles. Students, can you say how many candles are there? Yes, there are three candles. In these three candles, the first one is thin. The first one is thin. Now see the next one. That is little bit thin than the first one. So that we can say it is the thinner one than the first one. Thick, thinner. Now the last one is very thin than the remaining two candles. So that we can say it is the thinnest candle. Thin candle, thinner candle, thinnest candle. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. See the next one. Here we have some mangoes in three boxes. In first box we have one mango. One mango is heavy in weight. One mango is heavy in weight. See the second box. Here we have four mangoes. How many mangoes? Four mangoes. Four mangoes are very heavy than one mango. Four mangoes are very heavy than one mango. So that we can say it is heavier. It is heavier than one mango. And in last box we have more than four mangoes. More than four mangoes. It means that is very heavy than remaining two boxes. That is very heavy than remaining two boxes. So that we can say it is the heaviest one. It is the heaviest one. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay children? And the next one is cherries. Here are so many cherries. Okay. So cherries are very less in weight. So that we can say it is light. Okay. And next one, only they have given three cherries. Three cherries is very light than the first one. So that we can say it is the lighter one than the first group of cherries. And the last box having only one cherry. So one cherry is very light than the remaining two groups of cherries. So that we can say it is lightest one. So that we can say it is lightest one. Light, lighter, lightest. Light, lighter, lightest. Okay children? Students, I hope you understand the concepts. Now coming to the magic drill 1.2. See the first one. Take the biggest one. Here are three brinjals. How many brinjals? Three brinjals. In that the first one is big one. First one is big brinjal and the second one is bigger brinjal and the third one is biggest brinjal. According to the sentence, we have to take the biggest one. So the last brinjal is the biggest brinjal in all. So that we have to put right mark upon the last brinjal. Okay. So see the second one. Take the smallest one. Take the smallest one. Which one we have to take? Smallest one. Yes. See here. Here are three fishes. One is in yellow color, one is in green color and one is in red color. Okay. In these three fishes, which one is the smallest one? Yes. The green fish is smallest one than the remaining two fishes. So that we have to put right mark upon green fish. Now coming to the third one. Take the tallest one. See children, here are three trees. In these three trees, the first one is tall and the second one is taller and the last one is tallest. So according to the sentence, we have to put right mark upon the tallest tree. It means we have to put right mark upon the last tree. Okay. Now see the fourth one. Take the shortest one. Take the shortest one. See children, here we have three buildings. Okay. So in these three buildings, which one is the shortest one? Yes, the pink building is the shortest one than the remaining two buildings. So that we have to put right mark upon the pink building. Now see the fifth one. Take the thickest one. Take the thickest one. See children, here we have three books. In these three books, we have to identify the thickest book and put the right mark upon it. See children, in middle one, that is the thick one. And the first one is the thicker one. And the last one is the thickest one. Middle book is thick book. And the first book is thicker book. And the last book is thickest book. So, we have to put right mark upon the last book. See the next one. Take the thinnest one. Take the thinnest one. Here are three boys. Here are three boys. In those three boys, the first boy looks thin. The first boy looks thin. And the second boy looks very thin than the first boy. So that we can say he is the thinner boy. He is the thinner boy than the first boy. And the last boy looks like very thin than the remaining two boys. So that we can say he is thinnest boy than the remaining two boys. Thin boy, thinner boy, thinnest boy. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. So according to the sentence, we have to put right mark upon thinnest boy. Here the last boy is thinnest boy. So we have to put right mark upon thinnest boy. Okay. Now the next one is take the heaviest one. Take the heaviest one. See children, here we have some sack of rice bags. Here we have some sack of rice bags. In these rice bags, which is the heaviest one? Yes, by seeing the objects we can understand that the last one is the heaviest one than the remaining two bags. So that we have to put right mark upon the last bag. Now the next one is take the lightest one. Take the lightest one. See children, here the given objects are the green bag, blue pouch and blue bag. So in these all objects, which one is the lightest one? Which one is the lightest one? By seeing the objects, we can understand that the pouch is the lightest one than the remaining two bags. So that we have to put right mark upon the pouch. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understand the concepts, right? Okay. See you in the next session. Thank you.